Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR5-6000 32GB kit. These memory kits from Thermaltake offer a total capacity of 32GB, running at a speed of DDR5-6000 with a cast latency of 36, 38, 38, 76 with a operating voltage of 1.3 volts. It comes with a total of 16 addressable LED RGBs, which is great for all you RGB fans out there. It's also compatible with all of the major RGB ecosystems out there, including the Asus Aura Sync, the Mystic Light Sync from MSI, and the Gigabyte Fusion, as well as Polychrome RGB. It's made from a 10-layer, 2-ounce copper PCB and comes with error correction as well. We'll be putting this into our system and see how it performs, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR5-6000 memory kit. Comes with two 16GB modules, total 32GB kit. It supports the Thermaltake RGB Plus. Of course, comes with 16 addressable LEDs. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. We have a nice blister pack. Let's take this off. Let's peel this off. Alright, here we have the memory modules itself. Two modules of 16GB give you a total capacity of 32 gigs. Speeds of up to DDR5-6000. And here you can see there's a nice metal sheen for the heatsink and a nice matte finish on this side. On LEDs, we have a nice LED strip at the top with center as well, one in the center. 16 addressable LEDs and compatible with all the major ecosystems out there, the RGB, including the MSI Mystic Light, the Asus Aura Sync, and of course Gigabyte Fusion, as well as the ASRock Polychrome. It's made with 2-ounce copper PCB, 10-layer, and has ECC as well as XMP 3.0 compatibility. Comes with a cast latency of 36, 38, 38, 76, operating on a 1.3 volts. And yeah, we'll put these into our test system and see how they perform. We'll be using an Intel Core i9-12900KF along with a DDR5 motherboard, the ASRock Z690 Taichi, and we should perform pretty well. Alright, so this is a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG DDR5-6000. These are the first DDR5 memory kits that we've tested from Thermaltake with RGB, and I have to say I'm really impressed. With XMP3 enabled and all the memory settings on auto, the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR5-6000 performed beautifully. During our 8x64 memory test, we got a super fast read speed of 95,332 megabytes per second. Write speed was 84,528 megabytes per second, and a copy speed of 86,178 megabytes per second. When it comes to aesthetics, these memory modules look amazing. Its sleek and sophisticated heatsink design with two different aluminium colors and a chrome stripe in the middle will look great on any PC. Full load temperatures reach a high of 55 to 56 degrees Celsius, and it may seem a little bit high, but the included heat spreader seemed to be doing its job adequately. For RGB lovers,
The 16 high-lumen addressable LEDs along the top strip of the memory module are bright and stunning, giving you a more dynamic lighting experience. It's compatible with all the major RGB ecosystems out there, including the ASUS AuraSync, the MSI Mystic Light Sync, the Gigabyte RGB Fusion, the ASRock Polychrome Sync, and of course Thermaltake's very own TT RGB software. As far as overclocking is concerned, I'm more than happy to say they can easily overclock to DDR5-6400 from the default speed of DDR5-6000. All I did was increase the speed in the BIOS from the default speed of DDR5-6000 to a nippy DDR5-6400 with all settings set on auto. If you're planning to build a PC and require some Enthusiast grade DDR5 RAM that can really show off your RGB, then look no further. The Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR5-6000 32GB memory kit is all you need. They offer excellent performance, amazing RGB lighting effects, and of course they come in both black and white editions. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHRAM XG RGB DDR5-6000 32GB kit. It comes with a really nice heatsink and some fantastic RGB lighting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.